Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to be doing eye makeup for 2022. We've got the trending eye makeup going on because of the Euphoria stage, the Euphoria series, and yeah, that's been the trend beginning of the year. So yeah, honestly, I feel like 2022 is all about the eyes. It's all about the colored eye makeup. It's all about the colored eyeshadow, the liner, the colored liner, the overlapping of liners from black liner to a colored liner, overlapping it. So yeah, it's all about the eyes, the eye says it all. So let's get right to it. So I'm going to be doing my base first, my foundation and contour and all that jazz. Okay, so for my base, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Coverage in the shade Caramel Beige. The concealer I'm going to use is the L'Oreal True Match. I like this concealer. It's a stick concealer. It's very convenient. It's an easy application. Yeah. Has anyone of you guys seen the TikTok trend where TikTok filters chooses your makeup? It's honestly so cool because it's very creative. It challenges you to see how creative you are and how you can like mimic what the filters are giving you. I will be doing a full video about that about the TikTok filters chooses your makeup, because why not? It's a cool trend. I mean, I even hopped on the TikTok filter makeup trend, so yeah. Okay, now that my face is all concealed, let's get started with the eyes. So we're gonna be doing something like this. Again, we're gonna have inspiration, then that inspiration we're gonna make it our own, and this is what we're gonna be doing, something like this. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna make it our own. So instead of the white eyeliner, we're gonna be doing some blue, a blue liner. And let's mix it up with green. Instead of like a purple and blue, we're gonna use green with a blue liner. And let's see how that turns out. So first, let's base our eyes. I'm gonna be using a light brown color just to color the lids, just a little lid. As for the color, we're going to be using green. Let's go with not green, let's say aquamarine. His name is Basil. Color of the name is Basil. We're going to be using this color here. I said green, right? So why am I choosing blue? Let's mix basil and seaweed together and see how that pans out. Let's get the let's go with the seaweed first, the darker green, and put that on the edge of the eyelid. Just something right here. Oh. That's pigmented very. Okay, let's put that there. Just do half the eyelid, like so. Let's do the other side. Like so. After that, we get the basil color, which is the lighter one that looks kind of bluish, like the ocean, and put that inside of the lid. And then just blend it together. So we can clean up the edges later on. Let's just do like a rough draft first, just to get the color mixture going, like so. See? Yep. And the other side. I mean, you can change up the color a bit. You can choose your own color. I'm choosing green and blue because it just feels like a cool color to me, and it's my favorite color. So yeah, if you go with yellow, red, orange, go ahead. And if you guys do, please tag me or comment them down in the comment section and I will check them out. Let's exchange, creativity here. Let's exchange artistry. Okay, I'm kind of loving it. It's very retro. All right, now go with the liner. But first, oh snap, let's clean out the edges. I'll be right back. Okie dokie, now that I've cleaned her up, let's use this blue eyeliner. It's like a crayon. It's like a crayon liner, and it's an easy application. It's very smooth, like so. And just do like the regular wing eyeliner that you would do with a black liner, and just go across like so. And you can go all the way, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing the cat liner, the cat eye. Oh right, the liner popped out really well. That blue is pretty nice. So instead of using a black liner down the waterline, we're gonna be using the white just to make our eyes bigger. Yeah, it's just to give that bright-eyed effect. So Just do it down the waterline. It'll give that wide eye effect. I prefer to use a white liner down the waterline. I don't know, just like my eyes bigger. Like so. See the difference already. This is kind of weird looking. So, ooh, I love it. Next, we gotta put some glitter on. We gotta put some shimmer and some shine to this eye makeup because it's looking dull. Yeah, let's put a little life into it. Okay, time to add that life into that makeup eye. That eye makeup, what? Makeup eye. I've got some gold glitter and I got another gold glitter that's mixed with the green. I don't know how that happened, but I guess we can use that one up there because it's already mixed with green. So let's dig her. Let's dig her out and put on our eyelids to give a little life into it. Yeah. 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 All right. So that's a lot of glitter that I got. And just put it right in the inner part of the eyelid. Bruh. No. Get off. Oh. Child, I love it. You know what? Girl. She looking nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Glitter on the eyes. Yes, girl. Some life. Okay. That gave me life there, right? Now we got glitter in the inner corner. Let's add some shimmer to the outer, you know. Let's add some jungle. The name of this shimmer is Jungle. It's like a moss green. Yeah, something like that. It's a pretty color. I like the color. Pretty. Let's add some moss green shimmer. Ooh. People may say that this might be too much, but sometimes too much is all we need, you know? Sometimes we gotta have too much to keep our light going. I'm actually loving this. This is pretty cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, now let's add some mascara to finish off the look. Yes, we are done with the eyes. Yeah. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof mascara. You know what's the worst thing about putting makeup on? Is the fact that you have to take it off later. You have like a full face of makeup and you gotta take it off later. That's just the sad part. The worst part because it gets messy. Yes. So I'm gonna finish my face off with some stuff, you know, some blush, some highlight and all that jazz. Put a little lip go in. Just get this, you know, look put together. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, now that I put the blush, I'm gonna put some highlight. And the highlight, I got these 3 colors of highlight here, and I think I'm gonna go with the pink one because I think it's cute. It's a cute pink. Now, let's highlight her up. Highlighting the nights. Oh my god. Ooh, that is like serving some galactic space shizness. It's Space Jam. Anyone know that movie? Space Jam? Where are my 90s people at? You know? Space Jam. Jam. Put it up here. Spice her up. Do 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 do. Okay, so time for the lip. Let's do the lip, and I've got the Face Secret lip liner in the shade Rose Dust. Let's line our lips. Yeah, because why not? You know, there are times where I don't line the lips, you know, because it takes so much time. But in this occasion, let's just line the lips, you know. Or sometimes I would just use the lip liner as lipstick. And as for the lipstick, where's my lipstick? I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Powder Matte in Raw Cocoa. The shade, that shade. Yeah, I love this shade. It's a very nice neutral color. I think this neutral color is going to balance out the pop of color in the eyes because, again, 2022 is about the eye color, you know? It's all about the eyes. Voila. Ooh, I actually love this. Yes. I love that. That is your eye makeup for 2022, and I'm going for this type. I don't even use a black eyeliner, which is my go-to eyeliner, like my everyday eyeliner. But today we're gonna be mixing things up, we're gonna be using blue. So we've got ourselves the green shadow, the blue eyeliner, the white eyeliner, a little bit of glitter, some shimmer, and you've got yourself a pop of makeup color. A pop of eye makeup color. A pop of eye color. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that is my look, guys. That is the eye makeup for 2022. Yeah, and I'm also loving this lip color. I haven't used this color in a while, and it's actually nice. Rococo, you doing something to my lip, yeah? I mean, you guys can do it too. You can choose any color you want, any eyeliner color, any eyeshadow color you want, and how you want to put it about on your eyes. This is my video for today, guys. That was my video for today. And yeah, I hope you guys can do also, and just link me up, hit me up, and just tag me in your videos, or share them with me, or comment them down in the comment section. And if you guys want to see some other types of makeup or any other videos, any type of other videos, just comment them down. I'll surely check them out. And yeah, leave a like on this video. Again, subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and follow me on Instagram because why not? Yeah. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Keep color in your life, guys. Keep color in your life. Bye. Ciao.